Okay guys, so today we're going to look at subtracting by adding up. So if you have your grade 2 math packet, this is on pages 12 and 13. We're going to do a couple of problems on page 12. This looks confusing. We are doing subtraction problems, but then you'll see 3 addition equations underneath it, and you're like, where did those numbers come from? I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so let's do the first one, the example that they gave you, and I'll show you where those numbers came from. I'm going to do this problem on a number line. It is the best way to do these problems. And you guys know how to use number lines, and you can probably figure out those answers, but you don't understand where those equations come from. So let's look at our number line. If I'm going to add up, I'm going to start with the small number, and in this case, the small number is 29, and I'm going up to 50. So guys, you can look at this number line and you should all know the answer to this question. If I'm subtracting and I put both numbers on the number line, where is my answer going to be? In the jumps, right? Okay, so let's start at 29. What am I going to add to get really close to 50? I can add some 10s, 39, 49. 2 10s are going to get me really close. So 29 plus 20 is 49. Do you see that equation? Now what do I add to 49 to get to 50? 1. So 49 plus 1 is 50. Then that last addition equation is just adding your jumps. 20 plus 1 is 21. So my answer is 21. And if you look at this number line backwards, 50 minus 21 would give you 29. Whole minus part. Same thing, whole minus part equals the other part. Okay, so let me show you a different way to do that one and still get the same answer. So I like when I have a number, especially a number like 29, and I'm adding up, I like to go ahead and make that number friendly right off the bat. So 29 plus 1 equals 30. And then I can easily add 30 plus 20 equals 50. And then you put them together, 20 plus 1 equals 21. Do you see where they got those equations? So guys, if you can do it on a number line, then you can solve the problem and don't worry about the equations, okay? All right, so let's look at number 2. 71 minus 45, and you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 equations, but look at this last one here. This last one where you've got 3 add-ins is where you're going to add your jumps, okay? So that means that we should be able to solve this problem with 3 jumps. All right, so I'm going to put 45 here, and I'm going to put 71 down here. What would we add to 45 to make a friendly number? Okay, I don't know where my problem just went, but we're going to keep going. 45 plus 5 is going to be 50. So I'm going to write 45 plus 5 equals 50. 50, I need to get to 71. 60, 70, so I'm going to add 2 10s, which is 20. 50 plus 20 equals 70. And then I'm going to add one more. 70 plus 1 equals 71. Okay? So then my answer would be adding all the jumps together. So 5 plus 20 plus 1 would equal 26. So my answer to 71 minus 45 would be 26. Okay? I don't know where my problem went, but that's how we would solve that one. All right, guys, so as you're working on those and you have any questions, remember, start out with a number line, and then remember you can always call me if you need me. Okay? All right, guys, just a quick reminder at the end of this video, make sure you're getting your iReady time in. Make sure that you get in 45 minutes of reading each week and 45 minutes of math each week too. All right, guys, bye.